Okay. I'm playing. Guess who's playing super defensively? Mary Smith, alright. Right. Let's see. I'm going to sack this and do 2 damage to that. Right. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Painguin Golem. And Spellbomb. Should have swung in there. No reason not to. What do you have? You have Battlesmith. Yeah, that's getting shattered. If you swing, I'm gonna block. Well, which one are you gonna kill? You would kill the token. Okay, alright, so these guys are just sticking around. And since you're tapped out, I might as well do this. Alright, what can I do? One, two. Well, first I'm going to swing. If you want to jump with 2 mirror tokens, that's okay with me. Or just 1, that's even better. Yeah. Okay, yeah, sure. That's fine. Yeah, doesn't matter. Yep. Guess we're gonna bring out the Barrage Ogre. And pass. Is this another artifact? Let's see. Cyberclaw Golem. Okay, cool. I think I'm going to have to grasp of darkness that. Yep. Right. You... This is a long game. I'll swing with both golems, I think. And play out my Weaver. Yes. Origin Spell Bomb. Sure. Got a whole lot of tokens there. Okay, it's kind of unfortunate I don't have that, but right. Put on my Weaver. Right. And now you definitely have to block. And now I think I got you. Cause, let's see, one... Nope, not yet. Nope. Yeah. It's not over yet, of course. In any case, a furnace celebration is definitely... Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, and let's try finishing it. You could have, whatchamacallit, so parry. But if he does, then he does. But we got it. Furnace celebration taking me there. If I could have played around that Spence Justice, I could have, I suppose. I don't know. I would have been smarter, definitely. But, you know, I made it through in any case. That was a pretty epic game. So, you guys can join me round 2.